Ketchup Bottle Water Tower, trademarked the world's largest ketchup bottle, is located south of Collinsville, Illinois, and was constructed in 1949 by the W.E. Caldwell Company of Louisville, Kentucky. The tower was built to supply water to the nearby Brooks Ketchup plant, owned by the G.S. Sapieger Company. It stands at 70 feet tall on a 100-foot platform with a volume of 100,000 gallons, which could theoretically hold 640,000 bottles of ketchup. As a prime example of mid-20th century novelty architecture, it is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. The tower is most notable in its capacity as a regional landmark and as a roadside attraction for Route 66 travelers. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content.